Okay, hello, hello. Stream test. Hey, hello. I think I'm live now. So let's start today's session. Sorry, I'm a bit late today. I was supposed to start at 6, but I got a little late. Sorry for the inconvenience. So let's see how the market is moving. We'll start by one day. How's the one day doing? Okay. So the price dropped down from our exact level, right? We drew this level in yesterday's stream, if you guys remember. Um, right. Yeah, price dropped down almost 307 to almost 5,500 pips, 600 pips. So yeah, I wasn't able to take that trade honestly, but I hope some of you took it. I'm sure some of you took it. Uh, so let's start. So daily bias is for selling. We got a first doji, then we got a big, uh, big bull candle. Then let's see. Let's go to the 4 hours now. Yep. So we have this zone in 4 hours. The price is retracing from this level, but yeah, price is taking its retracement. Let's mark a zone here for 4 hour. Set. Mhm. Mhm. I'm not very used to trading view. I mostly trade here, so yeah. I have already entered here before starting the stream. I was already entered in this trade, and I think it's gonna go up. It should go up a little bit more. I think there should be one more, push here, which is gonna push the price till this point. Right now, it's running around 30 pip. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, exactly. That's the push I was talking about. Anyways, let's move back to analysis. Okay, so I was trying this. So, mhm. Let's bring this on from. Okay, a surprise took retracement from this candle this week. This is still pending, but let's see how it goes. Anyways, moving on to 1 hour now. Yeah, if you look at 1 hour, it's just a retracement of the big pull candles here. The way the market, uh, went into sell. So, yeah, I think it's just a retracement of what whatever was happening before. So my bias is still buying because I'm good at buying. I told me yesterday, same as well. कि बाइंग वाली जितनी पोजीशंस आई मोस्टली प्रेफर बाइंग पोजीशंस सो मुझे जहाँ पे भी बाइंग मिले चाहे वो रिट्रेसमेंट में हो या जहाँ पे भी हो आई यूजली टेक इट बिकॉज दोज आर मोस्टली माई विनिंग ट्रेड्स मोस्टली ये जैसे रिवर्सल होता है यहाँ से मोस्टली इस प्राइस का यहाँ से भी रिवर्सल हो सकता है सो आई नेवर लीव एनी बाय जोन्स which are like A plus like this type of buy zone I would never miss. बट आई एंटर्ड अ बिट लेट हेयर मेरे ख्याल में इस कैंडल के नीचे ऑलमोस्ट मेरे ख्याल है एंट्री है मेरी लेट्स सी क्या है कहाँ पे एंट्री है मेरी इसमें एग्जैक्टली ऑन दिस पॉइंट राइट तो हम यहाँ पे अपना लगा लेते हैं रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो राइट लॉन्ग पोजीशन राइट ये हमारा आ गया रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो मैं ऑलरेडी अपना टेक प्रॉफिट ले चुका हूँ पार्शल्स क्लोज हैं 0.04 लॉट की ट्रेड थे एंड partials close कर दिए थे इसके मैंने no it was 0.02 so partial closed and it's running 60 pips now anyways अभी इसका हम लगा लेते हैं ये और इसका stop loss around कहाँ पे है so yeah stop loss is break even यहाँ पे इसका stop loss है it's just break even तो slippage लगा के हम लोग इसको ये कर लेते हैं and my take profit is gonna be here for this trade although price can retrace back price can move down because overall bias is for selling. So let's see how strong USD is doing. Strength. Let's see. See, in the current market, USD looks very strong. So before taking any trades, you should also have this open with you. That's my, just a general advice. If you have this open, if the USD is on its maximum strength, I I wouldn't recommend to take any buy trades because they can mostly go wrong, or if any buying is going on, it's mostly manipulative. If the USD is going strong, the gold is definitely going down. And if the USD and you see the strength a little bit down, for example, if we see the strength around here, uh, like there are only there are like 10 candles here, right? 10 bars. So if it's at 7, 8, just below this maximum, you know, strength. So you should look for buys. That's my just general estimation. That's what worked out for me. You guys have your own analysis, your own, view on the market. That's just my view on it. That's my 1 hour candle. Let's move on to the 15-minute chart. So 15 minutes is also saying a very good buy. From here we can see there is a huge big candle, although it got a little bit of retracement from its side, but anyways, it's going good. I hope the strength goes down a little bit so the price can move up a little bit faster. 82. Yeah, the price is at 82 pips. Let's move on to 5 minutes now. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, you can look for retracement here. Let's go back to 5 minute chart. Yeah, go back to 1 minute. My stop loss is gonna be below this level. प्राइस रेंज चल रही है और प्रॉफिट्स बन रहे हैं और ट्रेड लगी हुई है. लेट्स सी. Did you break this candle? The big one. It didn't yet, right? Yeah, it did. It kind of did. If it didn't break that level, I would have taken one more buy trade here. It could have been my second entry. But I can also see a lot of volume in sales as well. It's not a lot though. The volatility is high today. So let's see what it does. And for selling, I'm waiting for this level. If it reaches this level, I'm gonna basically take a short position here, but just for 20 bits with small risk. So let's see where do we stand in 20 bits challenge. Wait a second. Um, Let me download the 20 bit challenge charter bar. Wait. Mm. Yeah, I think, yep, it's not respecting that level, not at all. Maybe it will respect this level though. I'm gonna close this entry. Can also respect this level, honestly, but I would wait for it to come back down. I would trust this level for now. I'm not gonna trust this level. Although there is a bit of buying pressure as well, but I don't think market is just manipulating at this point. There's gonna be buy entries. It's gonna take the stop losses right here when it's this level. It's gonna take the stop losses. Whoever took trades at this level, because I don't think this level is really valid now. Let me fetch 20 pips challenge for you guys so you guys know what kind of trading we are doing in here. Um, I can I can take one sell entry here if you guys want me to, because I can see a sell here. Maybe I'll take one with 7 lots. Yep. Oh, it's a high margin zone. I can't really take a trade here. Just take a 0.021. The stop loss is gonna be around 15 pip, and this trade is still. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do one more trade. Let's see. It's just a really risky trade, but I feel like the price is gonna move down. It should come down to this level easily. It should come down to this level easily, pretty easily. So what's the take profit on this? Let's see. Yeah, it's around 70 pips. Let's see what the price does now. Either it's gonna take a 15 pips stop loss or it's gonna go down. When it reaches 15 pips, we are gonna break even the trade. Basically, what I'm gonna do is close half of my entries. In this case, we have 0.02 lot open, so we're gonna close 0.01 lot, and then we're gonna let it run. Then it's gonna make a trade. It's gonna make a trade. Break even if it takes the stop loss. It won't really matter, right? So let's see how it goes. I think it's gonna take my stop loss before it goes down. Actually, it is gonna go down, but I think it's gonna take my stop loss, give me a wick, and then go down. I don't want that. Yeah, exactly. So that's how we basically trade. Uh, yeah, let's cancel this take profit. We're gonna close half of our entries here. What did I tell you guys? What did I fucking tell you guys? What's the price gonna do? What's the fucking price gonna do? It's gonna break this level, it's gonna come down till this point, and it's gonna retrace back from this point. This is just a manipulating buying. So it's right here, right in front of you. I wasn't doing anything else. It's just trading right here in front of you guys. So yeah, that's how market manipulates. That's how we trade. Someone is actually saying in the comments. It was my first read. So someone was actually saying, "Okay, I'm using some sort of tool to help me, take these short positions and stuff like that." We just took up 70. What was it? What was it? You guys tell me. It was around. Let's check. I took a sell here, right? Yeah, it was a easy 100 pip in 1 minute. Easy 100 pips in 1 freaking minute. That's what we call trading. That what trading is actually. Let's fucking go, guys. I gave you a trade for the New York session. If you guys took it, on you. If you guys didn't, not my fault. I give you guys trade in just 5 minutes. It gave 100 bits. So yeah, too bad on your part if you didn't take it. Let the price do its thing now. I took my entry. I got out. As simple as that. We took our entries. We got out. That was the point of trading. That was the whole point of it. Imagine if you would have taken, if it wasn't high margin zone, and we would have taken like a bigger lot size. I was supposed to take a 0.07 lot size for 20 pips challenge, but since I didn't take it, because I couldn't, because it was a high margin zone, it would have been $70 easy in the bank right now. But anyways, I'm happy with the profits, even if it was with the lowest lot possible. I really don't care. Hey, hello. Hi Maja, how are you? What you up to? If you guys still think the price is gonna move up, even if it moves up now, व्हाई डज इट इवन मैटर इफ इट इवन मूव्स अप? अगर ये ऊपर भी चले जाए तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है अब इसका प्राइस का, ऊपर जाए नीचे जाए डजेंट मैटर। यहाँ पे सारे बायर्स को उसने किक आउट किया है, इधर उसने सारी पोजीशंस ली हैं बायर्स की। और अब बेशक वो मूव अप कर जाए, सब कुछ कर जाए, देयर आर नो बाइंग एंट्रीज एनी मोर एक्सेप्ट द वंस हु आर लाइक वेरी अर्ली बायर्स इन दिस मार्केट। Except that gold kicked every other soul out. This is a 4 hour chart you are seeing right now. दिस इज़ अ 4 hour fucking चार्ट। ये देखो यहाँ पे सारी एंट्रीज उसने ली हैं, पहले ऑल टाइम हाई मारा है, उसके बाद वो नीचे आया, इधर से एंट्रीज ली हैं सारी, जितनी बाय की इधर एंट्रीज पड़ी थी उसने सारी ली हैं, इधर की एंट्रीज पकड़ी हैं सारी। फिर यहाँ से ऊपर गया, ठीक है, उनको फिर आसरा दिया कि भाई होल्ड रखो। इधर से उसने फिर उनके पूरे स्टॉप लॉसेस इधर मारे हैं उनके, फिर इन पे पहुंचा है। अभी ये इधर पहुंच गया है और इधर भी जो जो आ रहे हैं उनके स्टॉप लॉसेस मार रहा है और जा रहा है, राइट? That is what gold does. That is what market does. That's what market is here for. Honestly, that's what market is here for. It's not here to give you profit. It's efficient. It's gonna take whatever you make. So even if you make a penny in profit, you should be happy about it, because this market is not really for retail traders like us, until and unless you are very vigilant. You know the markets. You know what you are doing in the market. If you don't know shit about market, you are gonna lose. It's even worse than gambling, man. So be careful about whatever you guys do, what decisions you take in the market, because those are going to cost you, and they're going to cost you sometimes a very big time. So be careful with your trades, manage them accordingly. uh, मगर मुझे लगता है आज के लिए इतना ज्ञान काफ़ी है। अब इसकी ये ट्रेड लगी हुई है, मैं इसको सोच रहा हूँ इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर रख लेता कि द प्राइस कैन ऑल्सो कम बैक फ्रॉम दिस लेवल। अगर इसको तोड़ती नहीं है इस लेवल को, तो इट कैन कम बैक फ्रॉम दिस लेवल। यहाँ पर रिट्रेसमेंट हो सकती है बाई की, एंड देन इट कैन गो बैक अगेन। बट पहले भी, जब पहले भी ट्रेड ली उसमें भी यही किया, बाय जोन आया, उसने बाय जोन को तोड़ा। और मैं कल भी यही चीज़ डिस्कस कर रहा था कि द गोल्ड इसी तरह काम कर रहा है आजकल के, it isn't respecting any buy levels. It isn't respecting any SMC. Kind of it is, but it is like a lot more manipulating now. Where like it wasn't this manipulating before. So अभी के लिए तो गोल्ड का यही हिसाब किताब है, और we all have to be very careful. और वही बात है, at the end of the day it all depends on your risk management and all that. So यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है अभी, let's see, 56 मिनट रहते हैं। उसने उसका ब्रेकआउट अभी तक नहीं दिया, जो कि एक अच्छी बात है, जो कि एक अच्छी बात है। अगर इसका ब्रेकआउट इसी कैंडल में दे देती है, और ये कैंडल अगर रिवर्स हो जाती है, तो और भी अच्छी बात हो जाएगी। और हम यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी और एंट्री लगा लेंगे। मुझे बाई की तरफ जाने के आसार इसके नज़र नहीं आ रहे। सो मुझे, मेरा एक और दिल है कि मैं इधर सेल की एक एंट्री लूँ, मगर लेट्स सी, रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है मुझे सेल की एंट्री। इसके ऊपर क्लोज ही होनी चाहिए बाई की कैंडल। If it closes above this, I'm out. I'm closing the stream and I'm going out. Yep. Yeah, it is above that. Before it gives me slippage, I'll go out on my own. Yep. Let's see. Okay, guys, I think I'm done for the day. We just captured 100 pips. I also like for this. I just opened this and we didn't talk about this. Where is it? Yeah. So we were looking at this, right? This is where we stand right now. How much balance do we got now? It's around $69, right? So right now we are standing at, yep, we are standing at around $58. Level 4. Yeah, we're standing at level 4 right now. So we'll take one. We'll take more trade tomorrow, inshallah. I'm not gonna take any more trades today. But if I find a really good one, so I'll take one. But I'll update you guys on Telegram or Instagram or wherever I would find it suited. So yeah, this is where we are right now. For And if you guys need this chart, you can always join my Telegram for that. Or well, yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Thank you all for tuning in. Bye bye.